Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, well, let's take a look at the list today, and that is we are taking a look at Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, SMCI. I already did a video on that on my channel. Check it out over there. We'll take a look at SOFI and S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100. So starting off with Tesla, but before that I also want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing, alright? So, Tesla, overall structure guys is still holding bullish for us, okay? It's just been a pullback. Yes, we are still seeing a sell-off candle today eventually, still at that 200 days moving average. However, ongoing structure lately is still in the bullish structure. We had a good run up today as well. It did sell off there, but nothing to worry. Let's get to the 5-minute interval because, as I said, things are just, well, if you are doing a day trade, let's turn on my another tool. It was an easy peasy trade. Both sides plays. Long play, bullish play, you made the money here. Then a short play, you made your money there as well, right? My tools helps in all of this. If you need access to my tools, as you know, details are in the description of this video. Now, though Tesla is holding near-term bullish structure on the daily interval, as we are seeing that reaction happening at 200 days moving average as well, that little bit of a sell-off. How do we trade it going in tomorrow? The levels to watch. Now, let's get to the hourly interval for that. As today, I already mentioned to you guys, as we just get above 277, it's an uptrend play. I showed you on the 5 minutes everything. That was it, right? We got a really good play. Now tomorrow as well, that's again the same level. 277, it's a zone actually, 277 to 279. If Tesla can get and stay above this area tomorrow as well intraday, we are just fine. It's a bullish play above 277 to 278 area. All right, definitely if we stay below 277, it will remain in the weakness, and losing 269 can bring it down to the levels below and may also bring it down to retest that 200 hours moving average eventually. So those are the two levels you are watching as per this breakout plays on both sides. It's just remember, the good uptrend or good upside play is not there until we break out above 277 to $278 area. All right, below that lingering weakness will remain. So just keep that in mind. All in all, daily interval though guys, it's still, as I have said yesterday as well, it's still in that uptrend structure for me, and I will only be losing hope. Excuse me, I will be only losing hope on the price action as if like bulls have lost control. Eventually full on will be below 252. Definitely there is some more weakness that, as I just said, 269 below, but that will be still intraday multi-day weakness, not necessarily that sentiment is broken. Sentiment on Tesla price action basis is still in an uptrend. All right, let's get to Nvidia now. Nvidia, as I said yesterday, that there is no point in looking any bullish play on this thing as long as we now stay below 115. You can see any rebound came today, also got sold off. We are still on Nvidia, still in a negative structure, still on the bearish side. That still remains the level. If we have to turn around on an uptrend without breaking further below, we'll have to get above 115 and 47 cents. Let's take a look at the intraday plays, if possibly what could be done. Now for intraday also, if you are even, so which will be a rebound on the daily interval, if that even has to be played, we'll have to get above $113 level tomorrow if you want to play an uptrend, a rebound uptrend. Otherwise no, below 113 will still remain bearish and weak. Things will just be bad. Intraday is what I'm saying, and overall structure is not good even until 115 and 44 cents. Okay, AMD guys, the big players, Jeffries is manipulating the market, and not just Jeffries guys, as you know. So Jeffries downgraded AMD, and they all work in collusion guys, all these whales. Whenever AMD has tried to turn the structure around, analysts, they have come out. Only when an AMD has shown a bullish start, analysts are coming out and downgrading this thing. It happened back here. It happened back here. It even maybe happened here as well. I will have to see the timeline, but I'm pretty sure about these ones. And now Jeffries came here again. Whenever AMD has tried to turn in an uptrend, good one, analysts are coming out and downgrading this thing. And why so? Because they're playing short. It's all about that, okay? They are benefiting their position. It doesn't matter what narrative they come up with. Whenever structure is it's turning around and changing, because they don't want to lose money, because they are shorting the heck out of it, right? And that's why they're downgrading it. They all are working together, all right? Anyways, technicals right now. Definitely intraday weakness is there. I would still say even after downgrade, even though market sold off, but downgrade didn't really create that much of a dent on AMD. And I still think these analysts will be crying soon, because AMD, I do think, will be stabilizing even through these downgrades. At this point, I still think there is a high likelihood of forming a good inverted head and shoulder, but which will be with this inverted head and shoulder, but we have to get above 108 and 226 cents. Then only that uptrend good one will start again. That's the level, 108 and 20 cents area. If we are not doing that, we are technically still in that weakness intraday near term. It's important to get back full on above 108 and 27 cents. Then only we'll have strength back again on this thing from where we are. Otherwise, as if we continue to stay below it or lose levels below it, we are still in the weakness. Though again, unfortunately, right? Damn those analysts, guys. Damn it, right? Okay. Now, the next one I want to talk about is SOFI. Now, SOFI is part of my 50 plus stocks coverage as well. If you are a member there, you already know I gave all these bullish plays to you, and then I said this is the target. That's it. Take the profits, get out, enjoy the money. And you can short it, your choice, right? And then this is where we are coming down. I gave this all to the members. Now, if you're not a member, you are missing out, guys. You are missing out. Now, definitely SOFI is in the back again full. Well, that was a near-term multi-day rebounds, right? Uptrend. And now we are back again full on bearish. So yeah, right now no uptrend, and there is no point in looking any bullish play as long as we continue to stay below $12.47, right? So yeah, poor thing is coming down. Now we can retest 200 days moving average, and we'll see if we find a double bottom there. But for that, we'll eventually have to see a structure turn around, which right now I'm not seeing any signs of that. When I'll see it, I'll talk with the members about it. You might miss out if you're not a member. So it's, well, yeah, that's what it is, guys. Okay, so that's SOFI. Let's get to NASDAQ 100, and then we'll take a look at S&P 500. So NASDAQ 100 yesterday, as I said, yes, we rejected at underneath of that 200 days moving average at this point, even though this is where I'm saying that take it only as there's still a chance for it to stabilize here. But take it only intraday trades because it's sandwiching, because weekly interval, we are still in a downtrend. Okay, that was an uptrend, broke the structure. We are downtrending, rejecting as well. All right. So, but intraday, we are seeing a near term, the strength building, right? At least a daily interval. So this still has a room to stabilize, but that's why I'm saying trade it only intraday. And definitely, as if we fully lose, let's get to the hourly interval, and we are right at that level. If tomorrow we fully lose 481 to 481 area pretty much, it's all across the board, again, full on negative. And if you are looking for a good intraday strength back again, we'll have to get above tomorrow $485. Then only that's going to happen. Otherwise, no. That's all what you need to watch on NASDAQ 100. Let's get to S&P 500. Now, I mentioned that until 565, there's a likelihood of some stabilization. It's very similar case like QQQ. We are seeing that stabilization, but just like NASDAQ 100, traded only intraday right now. Let's get to the hourly interval. And on hourly interval as well, guys, so as if we break below $565 area, it's all over kaboom. Okay, full on kaboom. If we have to gain a strengthful uptrend back again, we'll have to get above $571 area. Okay, so that's with S&P 500. Easy peasy. That's all I had for you guys in this video, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.